Hi guys, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. I am Ria and today I'm going to be sharing with you Diwali get ready with me inspiration. It's going to be a makeup inspiration for you guys. All the products I'm going to be using today are from Myntra. You can get your hands on these. I will link all of them in the description for you guys. I'm starting off with the Swiss Beauty primer. I love it. It is my recent purchase and I think it just makes my makeup long last. I'm just applying it on my T-zone and the rest of my face as well, especially my under eyes. Now I'm using the MAC Studio Fix face pen. This is like my absolute favorite base that I'm going to be doing today. It's very natural. I'm just applying it all over my face. The shade that I'm using is NC41. It suits me perfectly because it oxidizes a bit after a certain period of time. Just blending it out nicely, taking my time out to blend this for that flawless base that you need this festive season. Look at that glow already that I have on my face. Now I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer just on the inner and outer corner of my under eyes and my forehead, T-zone. It is a brightening shade that I'm using. You can use your own shade if you don't like much brighter under eyes. Now I am sealing it all in with the Maybelline setting spray. I love it. I love to use setting spray after like 2-3 steps of my makeup. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty contour stick. It is my favorite. It is so affordable. Just get it on Myntra, guys. Everything is linked in the description. Now just blending the contour shade out. You can see how seamlessly it blends into my skin. I absolutely love it. Next step is one of my favorite steps in my makeup routine, that is blush. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy blush. I love how it blends into my skin and just makes my face look uplifted. After that, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream for that dew. I'm not using a highlighter powder because आजकल मुझे वो इतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, तो सिर्फ मैं स्ट्रोब क्रीम लगाती हूँ और उसके बाद फेस सेट करती हूँ मैक का लूज पाउडर के साथ. एंड वंस अगेन आई एम सेटिंग माय फेस विद द सेटिंग स्प्रे. तो ये हमारा बेस कंप्लीट हो गया है. अब बारी है आई मेकअप की. आई एम यूजिंग द स्विस ब्यूटी आई शेडो पैलेट. आप देख सकते हो मैंने कोई कंसीलर से अपने आईज को प्राइम नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड दैट वेरी नेचुरल लुक ऑफ द आईज. उसके बाद मैंने ये रोज गोल्ड शेड यूज़ किया है ऑन माई लिड्स. लुक एट हाउ pretty this is, and I'm using the Mars liquid eyeshadow just to give that highlight on the eyes. Look how pretty the eye makeup is looking. It is just so beautiful. I skipped the eyeliner. मैंने eyeshadow से ही थोड़ा सा liner लगा लिया. And this is my favorite mascara. This is the MAC Stack Volume Mascara and just look at the result. आप एक बार देखो difference eyes में, lashes में. It just looks like you have applied false lashes. Look how pretty that looks. I am obsessed with this mascara, you guys. The one that I'm using is a waterproof variant, but I would recommend you to get the normal variant. It is available on Myntra. I think it is on sale also right now, so go grab it. I'm applying the mascara on the other eye as well, and look how beautiful my lashes and eyes are looking. You can keep your eye makeup here, but I love to create a tiny wing using my favorite liner. This is the Collossal liner from Maybelline. You can see मैंने बिल्कुल ही कॉर्नर्स पे ही अप्लाई किया है. उसके बाद मैं पैक का कॉफ़ी शेड में लिप लाइनर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. लुक एट द शेड, जस्ट गोज़ विद माई आईज सो वेल. लव अर्थ का लिक्विड मूस लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड मेरा ये लास्ट है स्टेप, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैक का स्टूडियो फिक्स लेकर मैं हल्का सा अपने बेस पर अप्लाई कर देती हूँ ताकि अगर कुछ मिस्टेक होती भी है तो वो कवर हो जाए. एंड दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. जस्ट एड अ बिंदी एंड एक्सेसरीज एंड यू गुड टू गो. दिस इज़ माई दिवाली गो टू लुक. Go ahead, recreate it, and don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.